Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell down there. We're going to talk about bars and apes and how they have changed my life. And I'm going to tell you, they have. I mean, it's amazing what you can do when you have apes and allow you to have that position, that writing position where you're more straight up. Now, I'm almost 40 years old. I have back issues. Everything came from the military. And obviously, writing my writing position needs to be perfect or I'm gonna have issues and I'm just gonna be in pain. And before, I used to be able to do about 20 minutes or so, and that was about it, guy. I couldn't do it nothing more than that because I was slightly, you know, pushing forward. Like my position was kind of like I was just holding my bars that I had previous to this, but I was leaning forward and it was just killing me.
Nothing fun about this kind of ride. So much traffic is ridiculous. And this is an 88 2005 roll key, so it gets hot. Really, really hot. Pretty quick.
I'm gonna tell you, if you've seen some of my first videos, I talked about that a lot of times. It wasn't that much. It was maybe about an inch, 2 inch that I was leaning forward, but after 20 minutes, I couldn't take it no more. Now, I got this 16-inch Burly brand Gorilla Apes. I'll link it down below. And I'm gonna tell you, I like them. I just love them. First of all, I got a 2005 Roll King and it matched so well with my bike. If you see the contour of the bar, how they bent and all that compared to my bike, it's like a perfect match. It looks just amazing. But I'm going to tell you, the biggest thing is how comfortable it is. And I know that it seems weird. I know that it may feel kind of interesting for some of you guys that are looking at these bars and saying, how can it be comfortable? That's kind of what I was wondering. When I saw a bunch of guys talking about apes, I don't know anything about apes. This is the first time that I have a road king with apes like this. So me personally, I was looking at that and I was thinking to myself, wow, that really doesn't look that comfortable to me. It looks kind of weird. It just doesn't look as good. But again, as I started writing and getting used to it and having that position that I'm just straight up looking forward, or, sitting, stand up, or with my back pretty much straight, I realized how comfortable it is. And I'm going to tell you, I'm loving it. If you are in the market for Burly brands, Gorilla Apes, me personally, I like them very much. Now, I'm going to tell you, if you're looking for apes, if you are actually looking for apes, obviously there's going to be a lot of them in the market. So you're going to have to look for ones that are matching whatever you're trying to get, whatever you're trying to accomplish. Maybe you don't like this design, maybe you don't like this style, whatever it is. I mean, there are so many of them. You will be able to find one that kind of match your style. But the biggest thing is going to be the high. How high is going to be. And as I started looking for them, I realized I think I saw a video from a company here on YouTube, and the guy was saying to be really, really careful on the high because 16-inch doesn't really mean 16-inch for every company. There's companies out there that is 16-inch, maybe a little bit slightly higher or slightly lower than other companies. So you got to be really sure of what you want because 1 inch could be a total difference, right?
No haircut. I was gonna get a haircut, but too many people. I just stopped there after work tomorrow.
and just recently I put my new saddle on the bike. I put a Saddleman step up saddle, and now I feel like I'm a little bit higher and a little bit forward. So that's telling me that I have to readjust my bars. Now I'm going to do it eventually. I may do a video on that or not. I don't know yet. But again, it's something that I may do in the future. I want to readjust the bars and making just perfect, because like I say, your riding position means a lot. And if the bars are too close to you, it's not going to be comfortable. If the bars are too far away from you, again, it's not going to be comfortable neither. So you want to have them in the right spot. And the fact that I changed the saddle and it pushed me up and slightly forward, it has changed the entire my entire riding position. So now I have to readjust the bars. It's not going to be a big deal. It's just something that I'm going to have to do in the future. But I'm going to tell you, going back to these apes, I like them. I think the bike looks amazing since I put the stretch bags from biking and I put the step up saddle and the apes. The bikes are looking just fantastic. But I'm going to tell you, they are very, very comfortable to ride. And again, I could maneuver the bike a little bit better. I feel like I'm sitting in top of the bike and I'm able to push the bike around. I'm able to control that throttle and control that clutch and be able to push that bike wherever I want to go. Very, very simple. To me, apes is a must. It's going to be one of those things that no matter what bike I have, never again I'm going to have a bike that does not have apes. It's going to be something that is mandatory in every bike that I have.
So much gravel in here. It's dangerous for a motorcycle.
That's about it, guys. I just wanted to give you an update. If you're looking for this apes, or apes in general, and you have back issues, I'm going to tell you, go for them. It's going to help you a ton, and it's going to allow you to ride your bike even longer. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming up. And as always, God is in control.